how to fix the issue where your SIM card is not being detected on your Samsung phone. So if you're getting no signal because your SIM card is not detected, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just go and tilt your phone onto its side. And then you'll just need to grab your SIM removal tool, and you'll need to use this to press down in the small hole in the top left hand side of your Samsung phone. Now once you press this down, this should pop open with the SIM tray, and you just need to go in and release it like so. We're then going to grab something like a cloth, and we're going to make sure the SIM card itself and also the SIM card tray, make sure it's completely clean from any dust or debris. So we're just going to give this a quick wipe down. You then need to make sure your SIM card is aligned correctly. Now you'll see a small triangular cutout on the SIM card itself, and you'll just need to align this with the SIM tray. You can then go and reinsert your SIM card back into the device, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, then what you can try doing is using your fingers to go and pinch down in the top right hand side. So where the SIM card's placed, sometimes this isn't actually making contact with the SIM card tray, and this is causing the issue where it's not being detected. So if you go and pinch down your fingers in this top right hand corner, sometimes just doing that alone can make contact with the SIM card, and that can sometimes go and solve the issue. Now if it's still not working, we need to go and clear the cache on the SIM card. So first go and open up the settings on your phone, and then you can scroll down this page and click on apps. Once you're on the apps page, click on the search box in the top right hand side. You can then go and search for SIM and click on the SIM toolkit. You can then scroll down again and click on storage. And then you'll need to click on Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side. You can then head back over to the home screen, and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then open back up the settings, click on Connections, and you can try toggling on the flight mode. Wait around 5 to 10 seconds and then go and disable and turn off the flight mode. Hopefully by doing that, your SIM card is now working. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.